Hello everyone, welcome to Tesla Shree channel. So when you buy any model of Tesla, it usually doesn't come with a physical key or a key fob. So you might be wondering, how do you get into a Tesla and then how do you drive one, because you can't put a key anywhere to turn on the ignition. So Tesla gives you three different options which can be used as a key to get into your car, any model of Tesla. So those three options are using what you call a key card. So this is how a key card looks like. Using your phone, it can be either Android or an Apple iOS phone, as a key. You also have another option where you can buy a fob, key fob, from their website, and then use that as a key. So these are the three options, and today in this video I'll be talking more about the Tesla key card. So the Tesla key card works on RFID technology, radio frequency identification. So Tesla has a couple of RFID transmitters that they have added onto the car, where you can hold your key card and that'll authenticate that you are the owner of the car, and then it will allow you to get into the car or even drive the car, for example. So let me show you the working of how you use a key card to get into the car and put your car into drive or reverse and then actually drive the car. So I have parked my car here and then it is locked. So if you try to open it now, it won't let me get into the car, and it will ask you to put the key card in your car before you can get in. And I will put the message that you see on the screen where it asks you to put the key card to unlock the car. So the way you do that is you hold your key card and next to your driver door, and then put it under the camera on the pillar. So as you see, you might have heard the chime, the horn, and then it unlocked my car. So if you do that a second time, it locks the car. So if you do it again, now the car is unlocked. And now if I try to open the door, it does let me open the door and get into the car. So when you use the key card to get into your car and then drive, just make sure when you head out to use the key card again to manually lock it, like I showed earlier. So otherwise the car will remain unlocked, because with the key card it doesn't support walk away auto lock and when you walk towards the car, it automatically unlocks for you. But that works only with your phone or the fob. So just make sure when you use a key card to manually lock it and then leave wherever you're going to, so that you're sure the car is locked. So you can also add multiple key cards to your car. So you can buy additional key cards from Tesla's website, which is I think about $35 for two key cards. So if you maybe lose a card, or if you want to add on more cards to get into your car, you can definitely you definitely have that as an option. So to manage all the cards, you can click on the main car menu here, and then go to locks, and this is where you'll see the card that is active. So the second RFID transmitter, like I was talking about, is here, right next to the driver. You put the card here, and then sometimes Tesla asks you to put the card here if before it allows you to even drive the car. I tried to show that to you today. It didn't ask me. I'm not sure why, but as soon as you put it here, you'll see key card 1 shows up as active. So if I remove my card from here, I've removed it and I have this in my hand. So it removed it. It doesn't say active anymore because the key card is no longer near the transmitter. So let me put it back again, and you should see it change active, and then it removes it. So there you can identify which card is active, and you can also rename your card from here. So you click on that pencil icon, and then let me rename it to Tesla Shree, to say this is my card that's active. And now the next time I put my card near the transmitter, you should see it highlighted and it says active. So here again, like I said, you can have multiple cards. To add a new card, you would click on the plus icon, and then here, as you see, it gives you two different options. You can either set up your phone here, or add the key card or key fob. So to add the card, all you'll have to do is put your new card here, like I showed you earlier. You just put the new card here, and then it immediately recognizes it and adds it. Same goes with fob, which I'll show you in another video. So hope this video gave you an idea about how you get into your Tesla using a key card. It's here, and this looks like basically looks like a credit card, and it easily fits in your wallet. So this is really convenient if you don't have the other two options with you. You know, maybe your phone battery died, or the key fob. You don't have the key fob, then this is definitely handy, because this doesn't need a charge in it. So I always have this in my wallet, and it fits right with my other credit cards. So this is really really helpful. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and then I'll see you in the next one. Bye.